I'm Thabi, I'm the product lecturer of Levita Living Products. Exciting times, we are finally shooting your videos. So in these short segments, I'll be chatting to you about all our new products. We'll be going through each product individually, discussing the benefits and the correct usage. Here we have our hand sanitizer. It's 70% alcohol, so it will remove all germs. It's liquid-based and non-sticky, so it won't leave your hands feeling clammy after usage. Our special is still running. We buy a 6-pack of sanitizer. You only pay for 5. You get the 6th bottle for free, along with the points for the 6th bottle. Here we have our aloe vera soap bar. This soap bar is 60% aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is great for healing the skin, as well as boosting cell reproduction. This soap will help with dark marks, uneven skin tone, as well as stretch marks. We're very excited to introduce our brand new Intimate Wash. Our Intimate Wash has chamomile extract, which soothes as well as heals the skin. It's mild and gentle and is perfect for both men and women. This will help balance bacterial as well as pH levels in our intimate areas for fresh, clean, and odorless areas. Thank you for taking the time today to watch our tutorial. We look forward to bringing you more new and exciting products here at Levita Living Products. For more interactive sessions, one-on-ones, and Q&A sessions, please feel free to book a training session at your nearest branch. For now, here's Thabi, your product lecturer, signing out. Halala Malavita Halal.